Hello and welcome. Today I have very interesting science activity. I have this potato. If I penetrate the pencil across this potato like this, you can see this pencil is holding the potato. You can say, what is preventing the potato to fall down? Naturally, there is some friction between this inner surface of the potato and the pencil. Then friction is resisting the gravity. If this, here is the effect of the momentum, change in momentum. But if the same activity is done in a different way, if I hammer this pencil, top of the pencil with this like this, if I hammer this pencil, this potato should come down or come up. Let's see. Yeah, this potato is coming up. What is the principle? I have applied all the force on the pencil instead of potato, but this potato was coming up instead of going down. Let's repeat this activity. Let's repeat it. Suppose I give a strike on this top again. Yeah, again you can see potato is climbing up. Yeah, can you tell what is the principle, why it is going up, why it is defying the gravity? What is the reason? We will come to it. Let's take one more activity. I have this thread passed across this piece of you can say cardboard. If I hold it like this, it is going down due to the weight, it is going down. If I invert it again like this, it is falling again, it is falling again. But can we hold it like this? You can see now this is not falling down, this is not falling down. What is the reason? If I stretch the thread, it is not falling down. If I release it, it is falling down. Again, if I keep it stretching, it is not falling down like this. If I again stretch it, it stops. So here friction is acting, friction is preventing. You can see. So what is here? You can see I have passed this pen across it, and if this thread is passing over it, if I stretch this thread, there is a force acting on this piece of this pencil, and there is a normal reaction acting on this pen. If I stretch this thread, then due to this tension in this thread, there is a force acting on the pen, and there is a normal reaction increases, and in this way the friction acts on the thread and it prevents this thing to come down. This is the reason. If I lose it, it falls down like this. You can see this. If I want to stop, it can stop again like this. So here we can increase the normal reaction. It means force of friction increases. If there is no normal reaction, no force of friction. This is the reason. And what was the reason for it? Why it was coming up? If I strike it with hammer on this, why it was coming up? You have to think over it and then comment in the video, and we can answer in the next video. Thank you very much.